The following will be a first person pointing out instruction. So allow this perspective of mine to become your perspective. And together we will discover our true nature. And we will find the absolute rest and relaxation which is inherent to our being. So you can just continue to watch this video and allow me to guide yourself to your true nature, to that which you really are, to this absolute freedom and rest. We will start by using the visual field to open awareness up. The default mode of looking is to have attention directed outward, almost like an arrow, which is then hooking onto the object of our perception. So instead of doing that, we will open and relax this attention. So instead of being fixated and focused on a point in front of you, we are opening this attention. And next, we will allow awareness to expand and move to the periphery. So you can see that my hands are at the edge of your screen right now. And likewise, allow awareness to move to the very periphery of your visual field. So whatever you are seeing there, just look straight ahead and include and open. And you might already be able to sense that there's a certain amount of relaxation that comes with that. A kind of feeling of peace and wholeness which is coming to the foreground. And just allow awareness to be open in this way for a couple of seconds. And you may begin to notice that this openness doesn't just include the visual field, but there are also sounds coming and going. There are the sensations of your body. And all of that is happening in this openness. And whenever you feel like awareness is contracting again and fixating on something in your awareness, then just very simply open attention up first and have awareness expand outward to the periphery. Include more and more in your experience, almost like you are becoming this spacious field which is open to all of your experience. There can be the sense that as you are going about this, that you are somehow a kind of watcher or witness which is directing this spacious awareness out and is including everything. So instead of doing that, allow this awareness to sink back and back and back and back into the one who is aware. And as awareness is sinking back and is arriving at the one who is aware, what do we discover there? What is the one who is aware? We can notice that there isn't someone here. There isn't some kind of entity or being which is aware of your experience. There is just this openness of awakeness itself. And this awakeness is here naturally, effortlessly. Simply notice this awakeness which is already here. And don't notice it by looking for it with your thoughts. It is not some kind of object which you can grab hold of. No, this awakeness is just this already existing space which is already here, which is already awake. You don't create it. It's already here. So allow yourself to drop all effort and simply see what happens. Does this awakeness, which includes all of your experience, disappear if you're not trying to be awake? Of course it doesn't. It's unmovable, unshakable, indestructible, already present. So you may also try now to really be unaware, to somehow remove this awakeness, which is aware of your experience. What happens if you try that? You will see that it's absolutely futile. You cannot remove this awareness. It's truly indestructible. It has nothing to do with the mind. It has nothing to do with your efforting. It has nothing to do with your understanding. This awareness is already here. And what is the one who is aware of this awareness? Well, it's only this awareness itself which is aware of itself. And it's not aware of itself by looking for itself. All it has to do to know itself is to relax and open. So again, if you feel like you are contracted, open up, include, sink back, and drop. And see that everything is already perfectly included. The awakeness is already here. The integration is already here. And this awareness is simply knowing itself by being itself. It knows itself intuitively, without any medium. Just like when you put your hand into warm water, you feel the warmth with immediacy and directness. So too this awareness just knows itself with this immediacy, with this obviousness. And again, allow yourself to drop all effort and simply be this. Be this which you cannot not be. And you may notice now as well that this awareness, which is already here, does not exist as some kind of space over here, which is aware of the world over there. No, there is no separation between what is aware and what it's aware of. Just like the screen you're looking at has no separation between itself and the colors it's displaying, so too this awareness which you are, from which you are aware, is totally intimate with your entire field of experience. There's no separation here at all, not even the slightest bit. This awareness, which you fundamentally are, includes everything. And again, it does so effortlessly. You don't have to reach for the objects of perception to include. No, you being yourself is already all-inclusive. So again, rest, relax, simply be what you always are. So whatever you are doing next, as this video concludes. You are doing it from that which you always are. You always are this unbounded wholeness, which is all-inclusive. And all your actions, all your intentions, all your relationships are arising out of that. Whenever you notice you are contracting again, you are fixating on parts of your experience, just very simply open up, include, and rest in what you already are. And then move through the world with this totally different sense of what you are and the world is. And simply enjoy.